Alright, we're going to make some chewy chocolate chip cookies today.
You want to get started by preheating your oven to 400 degrees and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. You're going to be using 1 cup of cold butter, and you want to cut that into small cubes. So add each of those cut up butter sticks into the bowl of your mixer. Next, you're going to be adding 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Make sure to pack that well into the measuring cup. Once all of those ingredients are in your mixer, go ahead and turn that on and mix on low for about 30 seconds to combine everything together. After 30 seconds, increase the speed to medium for about 4 minutes of mixing time. After it's done mixing, this is what your batter should look like so far. You're going to be adding some more ingredients next, starting off with 2 eggs. If you're uncomfortable cracking eggs and you always get eggshells into your food, crack the egg into something else first before putting it in with your cookie batter. Next is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to help the cookie to stay thick and fluffy. 1 teaspoon of salt is next. Salt is a flavor enhancer, so it's going to boost all the flavors of your cookies. And the last thing to add for now is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Turn the mixer back on and mix for about 1 more minute. After a minute, go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowl if necessary, if things are sticking to the edges. And mix it just a little bit more to make sure everything is combined. Next, you'll be adding in 3 cups of flour. You want to add about half of the flour in to start off. If you add too much flour at a time, it's going to make a very big mess. So mix that on low speed until the flour is getting combined. and then you can add the rest of the flour. So 3 cups total flour. Turn the mixer back on and mix on low until combined. Once everything is mixed together, this is what the dough should look like. You shouldn't have any flour chunks anymore, and everything should be fully mixed. Next, you can add some walnuts or pecans if you would like. That is an optional ingredient. And the last ingredient you're going to add are some chocolate chips. I like to use the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Milk chocolate chips would be good as well, or even white chocolate chips. Whatever you choose, you're going to add 2 cups to your mixer. Turn the mixer on one last time to get everything combined together. Scrape the beaters with a rubber scraper to get all your extra cookie dough off the beater and back into the bowl. You can use a large cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop to scoop your dough. It's equal to about 3 tablespoons. When you use a cookie scoop, you're going to make sure that all the cookies are the same size. And then that way they're going to bake the same. Also, having them 2 inches apart on the cookie sheet will help so that when they do bake, they don't get stuck together. Continue scooping until you have about 6 to 8 cookies on the pan. Next, these will go into the oven for 8 to 11 minutes.